Just bring us up to speed. What's happening in the latest?
Okay, good morning. So at about 2 minutes to 8 a.m. this morning, we were struck in Taipei by a fairly strong tremor. It's the strongest I've had in my 10 years in Taiwan. And we've just been informed by the government that it was the strongest quake to have hit the island since at least 1999. That was an earthquake which killed more than 2,000 people. Now, in Taiwan, I'm working from the middle of Taipei. I can't see any visible signs of